Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can make Google the homepage in the PaleMoon web browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to the PaleMoon browser, and what you want to do guys is to make Google your start page, your homepage. Is click into this button in the top left. From there navigate to Preferences, hover your mouse over it and click into Preferences, right to it. Click into the General tab here. And then guys, what you want to do is click into homepage, delete it, and enter. Okay, I need to cancel it. So navigate to Google first, copy the URL and repeat the same process. And then copy the URL address you would like to use. In this case, for example, google.com as your homepage. Confirm by clicking into OK. And that's it. So if I click into the start page here, or start button, homepage button, sorry, I will be redirected to google.com. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.